Welcome to Technical University. You know, in a high-stress control room, an alarm flood, that's pretty much an operator's worst nightmare. So today, we're going to dive into a really powerful tool for cutting right through that noise, PCS7 message hiding. So, imagine a plant upset happens. Suddenly, the operator gets hit with an alarm flood just like this one. It's just a wall of information, right? And it makes finding the root cause almost impossible. That cognitive overload, that is the exact problem message hiding is built to solve. So how does this feature help bring back some sanity? Well, at its core, message hiding is all about surgically reducing an operator's cognitive load. To fight that overload, PCS7 gives us this incredible tool. Now, this isn't about ignoring problems, not at all. It's about deliberately and temporarily hiding those lower priority messages. The whole point is to boost clarity and bring the most critical information right to the top. And what's really cool is that you can do this in two totally distinct ways. Each one has its own workflow. You've got an automatic system-driven method, and then you have a manual operator-driven one. All right, so let's break down the differences we're looking at here. Automatic hiding, that's triggered by the system's status, like a specific operating mode, and it's all configured deep inside the engineering station. Manual hiding, on the other hand, is a direct operator action. It's like a temporary filter that you can set for a specific amount of time. The manual process itself, it's really straightforward. Just like you see here, the operator simply selects a message, makes sure they have the right user permissions, that's the higher process control rights, and then clicks that hide icon right in the toolbar. Simple as that. And boom, here's the immediate result. On the left, you see that cluttered, overwhelming alarm list, but on the right, after hiding just one non-critical alarm, the view is instantly cleaner. It lets the operator focus on what really matters in that moment. So you hide a message, but where does it go? It's not deleted, of course. Let's take a look at how the system keeps track of everything in these special hidden lists. Now, this is super important. How the system reacts depends entirely on the alarm status when you hide it. And you've got to see the most critical detail in this table. If an alarm is in the entered or exited state when it's hidden, it is also automatically acknowledged. That is a huge detail for any operator to know. So once an alarm is hidden, if it's still active, it gets moved right here to the list of hidden messages. You can think of this as the inventory of all pending alarms that are currently active, but just temporarily moved out of the main view. And here's how you get to it. By clicking this hidden list button, which we've circled, an operator can instantly pull up a full list of every single alarm that's currently hidden. And look, they're even marked with hide for manual actions or hide system for the automatic ones, so you always know why it's there. Okay, but then there's a second list, and this one is different. It's called the list of messages to be hidden. This one isn't about what is hidden right now. It's about what the rules are for hiding. It shows you which messages are set up for automatic hiding or which manual hides still have time left on their clock. This view really gives the operator a look into the future, so to speak. They can see exactly which system rules are active, and that gives them crucial context on why certain alarms might just disappear during a specific operational mode. Hiding a message isn't just a local action. It actually triggers a ripple effect across the entire system. So let's pull back and look at the full picture. Yeah, the impacts go way beyond just the alarm list. As you can see, the audible horn is silenced, the alarm gets removed from those high-level group displays, but, and this is key, it's still visible on its specific tag faceplate. And probably most important for accountability, every single manual action generates an operator message and gets logged in the history list. There's a full audit trail. And that accountability brings us to maybe the most important strategic point of all. This question right here is something every single engineering team needs to answer before they even think about deploying this feature. Because it's a powerful tool for clarity, no doubt, but it absolutely demands clear rules and a solid protocol. This is the essential balancing act, right? Since hiding an alarm also acknowledges it, how do you set up protocols to prevent this powerful tool from accidentally masking a developing critical condition? It's a delicate dance between clarity and caution. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe. For more details, visit us at technicaluniversity.com.